A dream home. The sun had just begun its gentle descent, casting a golden hue over the cozy suburban streets of Cavite. The birds sang their final songs for the day as the breeze carried the scent of blooming sampaguita through the neighborhood. Nestled along a quiet road lined with bougainvillea and mango trees stood a beautiful, medium-sized home. White walls, white windows, and a porch wrapped in warm wooden accents. It was the kind of house that whispered home, even from a distance. Standing at the gate was Marco, a young and undeniably handsome real estate agent, with a warm smile and the confidence of someone who truly believed in the homes he sold. Marco had been tirelessly preparing for this moment. Every corner of the house had been cleaned, every lightbulb checked, every cushion fluffed. He wasn't just selling a property, he was offering someone's next chapter. Not long after, a sleek SUV rolled up, and out stepped the family he had spoken to on the phone just days before. David, the father, tall and fit with a gentle strength in his stride. His wife Mia, glowing with beauty and warmth, her eyes scanning the house with a spark of hope. Their young son Leo, curious and playful, bounced with excitement, while little Sophie clutched a stuffed bunny, her pigtails swaying as she walked. Trotting happily beside them was their golden retriever, Max, tail wagging like a metronome of joy. "Welcome to what might be your new home," Marco greeted them, his voice smooth but genuine, as he led them through the front door. The family was met with an open-plan living room bathed in natural light. The wooden floors gleamed under the setting sun. The kitchen, with its marble countertops and cozy breakfast nook, instantly caught Mia's eye. David admired the tidy backyard through the sliding glass doors. Just enough space for barbecues, games of tag, or quiet morning coffees. Max sniffed excitedly around the garden, barking as if to say, "This is it." Marco watched as they explored, subtly guiding them, but mostly letting the house do the talking. He could see the unspoken smiles between David and Mia, the laughter as Leo and Sophie discovered the attic loft, the way Max refused to leave the backyard. Marco knew they were imagining birthdays, quiet Sundays, holidays, and ordinary days filled with extraordinary comfort. As the tour came to an end, Marco stood back as David looked at Mia, their children tugging at their hands. "This feels right," David said quietly. Mia nodded. "It feels like home." And just like that, Marco's heart lifted. Another family, another dream fulfilled. As the last rays of sunlight touched the roof, the deal was sealed not just with a signature, but with a vision of life, love, and countless memories waiting to be made. In that quiet suburb of Cavite, a house found its family, and a young real estate agent walked away with another story of success, not just in business, but in helping people find where they truly belonged.